pouch, warranty card, and additional earbuds. These earphones have an ergonomic and lightweight build that makes them comfortable to wear even for long durations. The soft silicone earbuds have a snug fit, preventing any sound leakage. Coated with IPX4 sweat and water protection, the pair is ideal for workouts. And thanks to the 10mm dynamic drivers, you'll enjoy great sound quality. The earphones have a 3.5mm aux cable that's compatible with most devices. They also come with an inline key control and a microphone to give you hassle-free control over your device. You can easily control your music or answer calls hands-free with the help of the button. I have the color Active Black here with me. However, there are 5 other color options that you can choose from. After using these earphones for over a month, I can tell you that they provide good quality sound and a robust design as well. You should give it a try.
Presenting Boat Bassheads 225 in-ear wired earphones in the color Molten Orange. The Boat Bassheads 225 comes in 7 color variants of black, blue, forest green, frosty white, molten orange, neon lime, and red, combined with 2 style variants of with carry case and without carry case. The Bassheads 225 wired earphones has a polished metal body along with Tangle-Free, flat and durable PVC cables for a hassle-free audio listening experience. The earphones offers incredible sonic clarity and super extra bass with its 10mm drivers. This Boat earphones are compatible with Android and iOS via its 3.5mm aux cable. The earphones comes with inline mic to attend calls. It also has integrated controls to control music playback. The Boat earphones is perfect for listening music. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.
Presenting in-ear wired Boat Bassheads 152, which is light in weight. It is available in 9 vibrant color variants: Courageous Orange, Vibrant Green, White Purity, Active Black, Jazzy Blue, Maroon Mirage, Raging Red, Thunder Purple, and White Pearl. The box includes Bassheads 152, additional earbuds, warranty card. This product comes with 120 x 1 x 1 cm dimensions and weighs just 14 grams. This ergonomically designed foldable Boat Bassheads 152 comes with metallic finish and durable PVC dual-tone superior coated braided cable which is tangle-free. The Bassheads are connected via 3.5mm aux cable with gold-plated angled jack. This made in India wired Bassheads are built to give super extra bass for the music lovers. This is compatible with Android and iOS phone controls. This Bassheads earphones comes with built-in inline microphone. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.